Subscribe my channel for G and NEET.
Hello students, good morning all of you. Today in our video, I want to explain the average speed on the basis of motion in a straight line in one dimension. Okay. In our yesterday video, we are practicing so many cases in the view of average speed. Okay. So today we have to practice in previous examination questions, that is on the average speed, right? So let us start our topic. So here there is a question which was asked in 2017 NEET. So Preeti reached the metro station and found that escalator was not working. So Preeti is reached metro station and found that escalator was not working. So she walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. Okay, so she walked up stationary escalator in the time t1. On other days, if she remaining stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes her up. So in all those remaining days, the stationary, she should be on the stationary of moving escalator. So it will be taken up in the time t2. The time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator will be, okay, are you understand? So here what the question it is, Preeti metro station reach అయింది, వెళ్ళేసరికి ఎస్కలేటర్ పనిచేయట్లేదు. ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన తను ఏం చేసింది, నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళింది. ఆ ఎస్కలేటర్ అప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది, స్టేషనరీ అంటే కదలకుండా ఉంది. దానిపై నడుచుకుంటూ ఎంత టైంలో వెళ్ళింది, t1 టైంలో వెళ్ళింది. రిమైనింగ్ డేస్ లో on other days she remains stationary on the moving escalator. సో కదిలేటువంటి ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన అలానే నిల్చుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ ఎస్కలేటర్ తన్ని t2 టైంలో పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళింది. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుందంటే మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలంటే ద టైమ్ టేకెన్ టు మూవ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రీతి విచ్ షీ వాక్స్ అప్ ఆన్ ది మూవింగ్ ఎస్కలేటర్. కదిలేటువంటి ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. ఎస్కలేటర్ మూవ్ అవుతుంటే దానిపై నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. ఎస్కలేటర్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ నో దట్ షాపింగ్ మాల్స్ అండ్ బస్ స్టాండ్స్, రైల్వే స్టేషన్స్, దే ఆర్ escalators. You have to use it to go the upper side floors by the without using of lift. Okay, that is the escalator. So escalator పైన నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళింది ఫస్ట్, అప్పుడు t1 టైం అయింది. ఎస్కలేటర్ మూవ్ అవుతుంటే నిల్చుంది. రెగ్యులర్ డేస్ లో ఏమవుతుంది, ఎస్కలేటర్ పనిచేస్తుంది, ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన నుంచుంది అంతే. అప్పుడు t2 టైంలో రీచ్ చేసింది. ఈసారి ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు మనల్ని, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టైమ్ టేకెన్ టు ద ప్రీతి ఇఫ్ షీ వాక్స్ అప్ విత్ మూవింగ్ ఎస్కలేటర్. కదిలేటువంటి ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది, ఎంత టైంలో తను పైకి రీచ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆ టైంని మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. గాట్ ఇట్? సో హియర్ దేర్ ఆర్ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. లెట్ us see how we can find that. So here you have to find only the time taken. Time t is how much here. Okay. So time it is nothing but you have to write. So first we need to know about the speed. Speed it is equal distance by time taken. For suppose, in case of Preeti is walking up on the stationary escalator. ఫస్ట్ టైం లో స్టేషనరీ ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన నిల్చొని నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. ఓకే, స్టేషనరీ ఎస్కలేటర్ కదలట్లేదు, దానిపైన నడుచుకుంటూ గబగబా వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఎంత టైంలో, t1 టైంలో. అప్పుడు స్పీడ్ ఎంత అంటే v1, లెట్ ఇట్ బి v1. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం. హౌ మచ్ డిస్టెన్స్ షీ ట్రావెల్స్, లెట్ ఇట్ బి h డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం టేకెన్ t1. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కేస్. Okay, where ఇప్పుడు escalator was not working. Okay, escalator later not works. escalator వర్క్ చేయనప్పుడు తను నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళింది. ఎంత స్పీడ్ తో వెళ్ళింది అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం టేకెన్. సెకండ్ టైం ఏమవుతుంది, సెకండ్ టైం అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు రోజుల్లో తను ఏం చేసేది, రెగ్యులర్ గా ఎస్కలేటర్ కదులుతూ ఉండేది, దానిపై నిల్చునేది. స్టేషనరీగా నిల్చునేది. ఇప్పుడు మూవింగ్ ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన, అప్పుడు స్పీడ్ ఎంత? v2, let it be v2, it is equal, distance is same, distance will not be changes because of రోజు వెళ్ళేటువంటి ఫ్లోరే, సో అదే డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో h by how much time it will be taken? t2 time. So this is the t2 where escalator is working here. Escalator is working. Okay, now we have to find the time. ఎస్కలేటర్ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది, ఆ వర్క్ చేసే ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. సో ఎంత టైంలో రీచ్ అవుతుంది? దట్ ఈస్ ద అవర్ క్వశ్చన్. సో టైమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్, ఆల్రెడీ wrote that, time it is equal, you can write time it is equal distance by what is that? Speed. Distance by speed. So here how many speeds are there? v1 speed and v2 speed. v1 speed and v2 speed. Okay, so here distance, how much distance it is here? h distance. How much speed it is here? v1 speed and plus of v2 speed. So already you know the v1 value and already you know the v2 value. Let's substitute. So how we can solve it? So let us see. Therefore t is equal distance by v1, it is equal h by t1 plus v2, it is equal h by t2. Right? Let us simplify here, where h will be common. Here it is 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. Okay, 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. H will be remains cancelled out. And then it is 1 by, so here t1 t2 is LCM, where there is t2 plus t1. So this is the t. So it will be converts as t1 t2 by t1 plus t2, t1 t2 by t1 plus t2. So this is the time taken where Preeti is walks up on the moving accelerator. మామూలుగా వాక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే, అంటే ఎస్కలేటర్ పని చేయకుండా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎంత టైంలో వెళ్ళింది? t1 టైంలో వెళ్ళింది. ఎస్కలేటర్ పని చేస్తున్నప్పుడు దానిపైన నిల్చుంది, నడవకుండా నిల్చుంది, అప్పుడు ఎంత టైంలో వెళ్ళింది? t2 టైంలో వెళ్ళింది. ఈసారి ఎస్కలేటర్ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది ప్లస్ షీ ఈజ్ వాక్స్ అప్, మూవింగ్ ఎస్కలేటర్ పైన నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళింది. సో అప్పుడు ఎంత టైంలో వెళ్తుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ t1 t2 by t1 plus t2. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి ఒకసారి, ఇప్పుడు t1 అంటే ఇట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ 10 సెకండ్స్ టైం పట్టింది అనుకుందాం. t2 ఇక్కడ ఎస్కలేటర్ పనిచేస్తుంది కాబట్టి 5 సెకండ్స్ టైం పట్టింది అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఎస్కలేటర్ పనిచేస్తుంది, తను నడుస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఎట్లా వెళ్తుందంటే చూద్దాం, చూడండి. సో t it is equal t1 t2 10 into 5 by 15. It is 50 by 15. It is how much it is? 3 point something, right? Meter seconds, 3 point something seconds. It means escalator move అవుతూ తను నడుస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు తను రీచ్ అయ్యేటువంటి టైం అనేది డెఫినెట్ గా తక్కువగానే ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ హియర్. ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, so let us see one more example. More question it is, which was asked in NEET 2016. If the velocity of the particle is v is equal to at plus bt square, where a and b are constants, the distance travelled by it 1 second and 2 seconds is. So the velocity of the particle was given that v is equal to at plus bt square, and where a and b are constants, the distance travelled by it is 1 second and 2 seconds is how much? How much distance travelled by 1 second and 2 seconds? So let us options are 3a plus 7b, a by 2 plus b by 3, and 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3b, 3 by 2a plus 4b. So how we can find that? Let us see. Solution. So the velocity of the particle v is equal, what is that? At plus bt square. So here where a and b are the constants and the distance traveled, we have to find the distance. So velocity is equal to distance by time, already you know that. So that is equal dx by dt. Velocity should be written as dx by dt, and then okay, you have to write that here dx by dt is equal at plus bt square. At plus bt square. Okay. So for getting the distance from 1 second and 2 second, we have to use integration. We have to use integration. So what is the need of integration? So without completing the total work, you have to use the integration between two positions. So this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit here. So here in case of, so here integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides with respect time, right? So here time. Therefore integral of dx by dt with x1 to x2, so that is the distance, okay, the limits of x1 to x2, it is equal integral of at from 1 second to 2 second, at dt, right, and plus integral of bt square from 1 second to 2 second dt. Okay, so now we have to integrate. So this can be integral dx by dt, it is equal delta x, it should be written as delta x, that is nothing but, if the limits we should be applying in the case of x place, that is x2 minus x1, upper limit minus lower limit. So this is the x2 minus x1 here, it is equal, here it is, if a should be coming outside, in integral there is only t term, that is t integral of t dt, here integral of t dt, and plus of b should be coming out integral of 1 to 2 t square dt, okay, this is t dt. So now we have to apply integration a into integral t dt, it is equal integral of x power n dx, it is equal x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, of course plus some constant is there, if you have to use that. So whereas n, so here 1 is there, then you can write that, what is that, t square 1 plus 1, t square by 1 plus 1, 2, if it is 1 to 2, so these are the limitations, and plus b into integral of t square dt, this is n is equal to n plus 1, it is t power 3, 2 plus 1 3, and here t by 3, where 1 to 2. Now we have to apply limitations, upper limit minus lower limit. So here a into, at first you have to write in the replacing of t, it is t is at first you have to write 2 square, it is 4, so a by 2 should be common, 2 will be one common out, and 4 minus 1 square, it is equal to 1, and plus b into 3 will be common out, and t cube, it is 2 cube minus 1 cube, 2 cube it is equal 8 minus 1 cube, it is equal to 1. So now it is, what is that, 4 minus 1, it is 3 by 3a by 2, it means 3 by 2 a, and plus 8 minus 1, it is 7 by 3 b, 7 by 3 b. So this is the delta x, the distance traveled by the particle between 1 and 2 second, it is 3 by 2a and plus 7 by 3 b. So where there is options are 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3 b. So this is the right option here. Right, I understand. So just you have to Remember the formula, it is integral of x power n dx, it is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Right, clear? So this is very simple, just you have to integrate on both sides. So velocity is here, you have to find the distance. If there is an acceleration and then find the velocity, so then we have to write dv by dt. dv by dt. So here you write that dx by dt. If there is a, acceleration should be at plus bt square. Then find the velocity between 1 second and 2 seconds. Then how can write that velocity dv by dt? It is equal at plus bt square. Right? So in this method we have to practice it. And see one more question. See, here let us see one more question. Two cars P and Q. Two cars P and Q start from a point at the same time in a straight line. And their positions are represented. So here there are two cars. Here there are two cars which are moving in a straight line. So this is one car, and then here there is another car. Right? So here these two cars are P and Q. This is P and this is Q. So which are moving in the same straight line and started from the same time at point. And their positions are xpt. So this position it is at plus bt square, and xqt, the car q, it is ft minus t square. At what time do the cars have the same velocity? At what time the cars do have the same velocity? Here the options are A, B, C, D are there. So let us find at what time the velocities are same. We have to find the time taken, right? So how we can find the time taken here? So let us find. So there is given that positions are given that there is no velocity. So let's simply have to write the velocity from the position. So displacement, this is the position, means displacement by time, it is equal velocity. So how we can solve it? It is xpt, it is equal at and plus bt square. The velocity of the car P, it is equal the derivative by the dp by dt, it means xpt by dt. So then it can be given to us vp, velocity of the car P. Okay, and then here a into d by dt of, so here you can write dxp at t by dt, so d by dt of t, and plus b into d by dt of t square. Okay, so let us write here vp, it is equal a into d by dt of t, it is equal 1. Okay, and plus b into d by dt of t square, it is equal 2t. T square, it is equal 2t. Okay, then we written as 2t. So whereas a plus of a plus, what is that here? A plus, it is 2bt. A plus 2bt. So this is the vp. The velocity of the car P, it is equal a plus 2bt. So this is equation 1. Let us find the velocity of the car Q. So that is ft minus t square. There we can write that xq, it is equal xq of t, it is equal ft minus t square. So then d by dt of xqt is equal to f into d by dt of t and plus and minus d by dt of t square. Okay, so here it is the VQ, right? So then you can write that this is equal F into d by dt of t, it is equal 1, same as d by dt of t is equal to 1, and minus d by dt of t square, it is equal 2t. So it is equal VQ is equal, what is that? F minus 2t, F minus 2t. So this is equation 2. So what they asked us, at what time do the cars have the same velocity? Same velocity means equal. It means Vp is equal Vq. So equation 1 is equal equation 2. Then you have to subject the time t. Then you can get the t value here. Right? So from equation 1 and 2, you can write that. So from 1 and 2, Vp is equal Vq, where Vp is equal, what is that? A plus 2bt, A plus 2bt is equal, Vq is equal F minus 2t, F minus 2t, right? So this 2t will be come this side and A should be right side, where 2t plus 2bt is equal F minus A. Okay, so 2t will be common, 2t will be common, 1 plus b, 1 plus b, it is equal F minus A. So here t should be subjected, then F minus A by 2 into 1 plus b. So this is the time when the velocities of two cars are same. At this time, the two cars are maintaining the same velocity. Okay, so it is F minus A by 2 into 1 plus b, where the options are F minus A by 2 into 1 plus b. The fourth option is the right answer. So this was asked in 2016 NEET. 2016 NEET. Okay, so very simple. You have to just remember, whereas displacement is here given, that you have to find the velocity. If you have to derivate the displacement, then you can find the velocity. If you have to derivate the displacement, you have to find the velocity. So here there is a clue. If which velocity, which time they can be equal. The velocities of two cars are equal, then the time will be found out. Okay. Students, if you like this video, please hit like and comment here and share to your friend, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and bye bye.